Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. This video is being recorded on April 11th. It's about an article in The Economist titled Transplanting Mitochondria into Unhealthy Cells Could Open a New Field of Medicine. Organ transplants are familiar, but now science is zooming into the cell to transplant mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses with the big role. They generate energy, regulate calcium, trigger cell death, and even have their own DNA. Their failure is linked to diseases like diabetes, heart failure, strokes, spinal cord paralysis, and congenital syndromes. Early success stories. Dr. James McCauley's work at Harvard on premature babies showed a rise in survival from 60 to 80% using mitochondrial transplants into heart muscle. Dr. Melanie Walker from University of Washington, Seattle tested this in stroke patients, infusing mitochondria at the site of brain clots. Safe, promising, and expanding to trauma and genetic disorders like Pearson's syndrome. Inherited mitochondrial defects may be treated by enriching stem cells with healthy mitochondria from mothers or placentas. Minovio Therapeutics is a company advancing such therapies. Free mitochondria are in the blood, 3.7 million per mil, may hint at a natural repair network. Animal studies show mitochondrial transplants improve cancer response and may even rejuvenate aging cells. The road ahead, future applications, stroke, heart repair, trauma, cancer, spinal cord paralysis, and aging. It's safe, promising, need more trials. Instead of replacing organs, we may soon recharge them, one mitochondrion at a time. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.